Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I'll let to show you the way how to change the username of your Picsart account. So the first thing you have to do, open your Picsart, and right after that you just need to take a look at this bottom features. There will be like 5 sections. Please visit the right one, which is the profile sections, and now you just need to go click this edit profile. Here they will be bring you into these several informations about the your account, and if you want to change the username, you just have to go click the username part, and you just need to prepare the name of username that you want to add here. So I'll let to change it with this, and you just need to go click done. And whenever you success, now you already got the new username on your Picsart account. So that is the way how to change the username on a Picsart. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next